Hello students, I am Lulle Anjali Manik, Assistant Professor of English, Government First Grade College, Aurad B, District Bidar. During this video, we will discuss the poem Cross, written by Langston Hughes. This poem has been prescribed for BCom 4th Sem of Gulbarga University, Kalburgi. Before going to start the poem, let us know about the poet. Langston Hughes was born in Joplin, Missouri on 1st February 1902. He studied in Columbia University, New York. His literary output is plenty as he was a poet, novelist, social activist, short story writer, and playwright. His literary contribution leave a permanent mark on African American literature. His poems concern mainly with the black music, racial protest and affirmation, black idioms and sympathetic depiction of black families in urban setting. In 1921, he published his first poem, that is, The Negro Speaks of Rivers. He received Harmon Gold Medal for Literature in 1931. In 1967, Hughes died from complications following abdominal surgery related to prostate cancer at the age of 65. The present poem published in a collection entitled The Weary Blues in the year 1926. To know the poem, we have to understand the background and the setting of the poem. The internal conflict of a person born to black and white parent is portrayed through the lines of the poem. It has a dominant trait of autobiographical elements from Hughes' life. The racial tensions between the black and the white communities in the 1920s, as well as the ethnic conflict in the lives of African and American individuals, forms the backdrop of the poem. The poem talks about the impact left in the life of mulatto child with an ancestry of abused black serf mother and abusive white master father. This is the setting of the poem. Now, the tone of the poem. The speaker in the poem at the beginning is furious at his parents for making him mixed, but his anger reduced and he is able to forgive these completely different people. Closer to the end of his poem, he is frustrated because he does not know where he belongs. He does not know if he is a white or black, and his future seems him to bleak. Now here, the theme of the poem. The theme of the poem is the character's inner confusion about his mixed heritage. Speaker was able to express the anger that the child had for his parents and how he was able to forgive them. But he has two roads to choose from that would define his destiny as a human being. He can choose to be black or white just by taking one road or the other, but he has to choose to ignore both and continue forward into frustrating unknown because of his mixed heritage. Now, the title of the poem Cross contains several meanings, that is, anger, burden, crossroads, and something is mixed that usually should not be mixed. Now, let us try to understand the content of the poem. Let me read out the first stanza of the poem. My old man's a white old man, and my old mother's black. If ever I cursed my white old man, I take my curses back. In the present short poem, Cross, the poet as a son of mixed parentage, the black and the white, expresses his confusion regarding his identity of race and parentage. The speaker has a white father and a black mother. The speaker then admits that in the past he has cursed his white old man, that is the father, but now he has had a change of heart and wants to retract those curses. This is the explanation of the first stanza. Now, let me read out the second stanza. I have ever cursed my black old mother and wished she were in hell. I am sorry for that evil wish, and now I wish her well. In the second stanza here, the speaker has formerly cursed his father. He has also cursed his mother, even wished her to be condemned to hell. But now he wants to say sorry for that evil wish, and now he wishes her well. This is the explanation of the second stanza. Now move on the third stanza. First I will read out the third stanza. My old man died in a fine big house. My ma died in a shack. I wonder where I am gonna die, being neither white nor black. In the third stanza, the speaker expresses that his father passed away in a nice white house with a great wealth in his possession, while his mother passed away a small, run-down hovel with no permanent house to call her own. This is a contrast in reality, pains him a lot, and he wonders about his fate, where he himself will pass away. Which among the duo will be he destined to have a white luxurious death or a torturous black death? Now here the poem is completed. The poem is generally discussing problems of racial heritage. The speaker is full of grief and frustration for belonging to a diverse culture. Well, this is the short and a easy poem. Annotations and essay type questions we will see in the next video. Thank you.